Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. Yes, I just realized this video will be a mess because I'm filming with my phone. I currently don't have my camera with me, and given the fact that there's usually a QR code in here, it will be a bit of a mess. So I hope you can accept my apologies, but I just really want to film this video and just open this up because I'm not good at waiting, right? I'm good at procrastinating things, but opening up new packages, I cannot wait. Coupons, as one knows. Given the fact, like I said, I don't have my phone here, but there is the code if you want it. I'm just going to start off with the thing that I will not keep. These are ultra soft reusable pads by a glove. And apparently with the glove logo on there. I will not use these. I tried using reusable pads and just not my thing. So I have the microfiber towels, actual towels, not only pads, so I prefer these to this. And also microfiber ones you can actually use. Oh yeah, this one as well. Okay, you can use them with just water. That is good. But yeah, I will not keep them. I will put them either into the public bookshelf or I'll try to sell them. I don't use these. Then I'm going to get the red shiny thing here. It reminds me of Christmas, and it's the LMS Frangipani Monoi shower cream. A luxurious shower cream. Or you can also use, you can either use it as a shower cream or you can use it for bathing. Smooth over the body and immerse yourself in the sensual aroma and then rinse off. I would just use it as a normal shower cream. If I know correctly, Frangipani Monoi is not a winter flower, but more summery, right? So let's see what this smells like. I'll remove the seal already. Okay, that is very summery. I don't remember what the brand is, but they have I think a sunscreen with this scent to it. So like I said, it's more summery for me. Yeah, I would have preferred to have this in summer. And I'm actually using it as body cream right now. Oh my god. Did you know that Halsey's last name is Frangipane? Alright, then we'll get the last colorful product in here because the rest is all white. The Project Lip Buff Scrub and Smooth. Scrub and buff onto lips in circular motions. Rinse with warm water. There's something wrong. So it says rinse with warm water 2 for super soft, smooth, and plump lips. So 2, you know, if you would say rinse with water 2, you would use TOO, but just TO. Alrighty, yo, look at that color. I'm obsessed. This smells like something from my childhood. I don't know what. Oh, that is very nice. Not too painful. Like some exfoliants and some scrubs, they hurt, but these are nice. That smells like something from my childhood. Oh my god, what is in here? I don't know, but it smells really, really good. Wow. Maybe I'm just a bit too nostalgic right now, but I would put this onto my wish list without even trying it. How to explain? It's a bit orangey. Can you see how this thread is just straight and the rest is wavy-ish? Okay, whatever. We use this, the Pi Resurrection Girl Hydrating Mask for the face. Apply to clean and dry skin. Leave for at least 10 minutes. Massage with moistened fingertips to create a silky milk. Rinse well with water. Contains not oil. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Wait, I didn't even show you these things, did I? Holy moly. So this is what the LMS looks like. I told you that it looks very Christmassy. But again, the scent is summery. I don't know, it's just, yeah, it's nice to have, definitely. And I hope it foams up. I'm not really picky when it comes to shower gels because all it needs to do is wash my body, right? But I specifically love it when a shower gel foams up. And then this is the Project Lip Scrub. That, like I said, reminds me of something from my childhood. I could lie to you and say, oh, there was a Play-Doh that's not lit, or I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like one of those cheap makeup kits that you get as a child, you know, it's not, you know, like the very basic makeup kits with a lip gloss in, and you probably know. Or maybe there were gel pens that smelled like that. I don't know. I have no idea. And then we have the Pi mask. I'm not someone can sit still for very long, especially not for 10 minutes to have this. Oh, okay, there you are. Oh, that is very thick. I mean, if you put your nose into this, you might smell a bit of mint. Very, very faint. Do you remember those baby lip balms from Maybelline? It smells a little like this, but very, very faint. I personally don't want anything with too much fragrance on my face, especially not if I have to leave it on for 10 minutes. Two last products already. What will use with this one? Okay, the Avant Rose Papaya Vitamin B5, Proline, Alanine, Urea. Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant, another exfoliant. I'm like, my whole face is gonna be exfoliated. Okay, face and lips. So let's see. Gently massage a small amount into the skin after cleansing. Then rinse the skin thoroughly with lukewarm water. So after cleansing would be when the skin is still wet, because it doesn't really say it. I would say you use, personally I would use my oil cleanser, then my face cleanser, and then this on top. I know a lot of people don't like a rose scent in various products, from skincare to lip care to whatever, perfume. I actually like it if it's not too strong. I mean, this is just an exfoliant. You put it on your face and you wash it off immediately. So I don't know if it's gonna linger on the skin or not, but I'm definitely excited for that. Okay, then last product already. The Olaplex. Now this is my first ever Olaplex product. Number 8, the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Moisturizes, smooths, adds body and shine for all hair types apparently. Can you not write that a bit smaller? Apply to clean, damp hair mid-length to ends. Use sparingly on the roots. Work through with fingers. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse fully and style as usual. Use weekly for best results. It's vegan inclusive. Now, my problem with this is, I don't like products that I have to put into damp hair and then wash out. I mean, you could do that. You could wash your hair, right, with shampoo, conditioner, put this on, and then wash the rest of your body, and then wash it out. Or you have, you wash your whole body, then do the hair, leave this on, stay in the shower for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. The problem is, you have to put it on damp hair and then let it sink in, so you probably have to put a shower cap on or somehow get your hair out of the way because you're still washing the rest of your body. Give me a leave-in conditioner or a scalp scrub that I use before shampoo. You know what I mean? Like, just something easy. I'm not a fan of waiting. You could already tell with this mask. I'm not a fan of waiting until I can wash something off or out. See, I will try it out. This is my first ever Olaplex product, so I might have to, right? It's funny because I have, in case you don't know, I have a code with Purish, and I think it only works if I link a product. So I will link my favorite mascara down below. The thing is, so Purish actually have Olaplex products, and I looked at them before because I'm always looking for a new shampoo or conditioner because my scalp gets used to it very quickly. The rest of my hair not so much, but my scalp, if I use a shampoo for longer than a month, it just gets very greasy, no matter how little or how much I wash my hair. Too much of usage, not good for my hair. So I was looking at Olaplex products, and now that I have one, I feel like it's fate. Maybe it's just a coincidence, I don't know. That does not smell the way I thought it would smell. What did I think it would smell like? No idea, but definitely not this. Actually, that doesn't smell bad. That smells also something from my childhood. Oh my god, what is it today? I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it's also like a bit minty. God, I'm all over the place today, but everything here smells good. That was everything that was in the box. Now, the products I like, the tools I don't really like, but I'm sure someone else can use it. Now, what am I most excited for? Probably the lip scrub, because that's, like I said, it reminds me of something, and I don't know what. If it works well on my lips, I might repurchase it, because it's been a long time since I had the lip scrub, and you can always use them. Even if you don't use them weekly or whatever, sometimes your lips are just dry and you're like, you know what? A lip scrub. Not only now in, Jesus Christ, this nail polish is not lasting at all. Not only now in fall and winter, but in summer as well. So I might repurchase that. And the rest, I'm equally looking forward to all of these products. There's no point where I'm like, don't really have to use it. This one, we will see if this forms up nicely. It will be great. But yeah, the rest I'm excited for. The thing is, these two here, they need a bit of prep time, if that makes sense. Right? Like one, you have to leave in for 10 minutes before wash off, and then this, you have to wash your hair first, then put on, leave in for 10 minutes, and then wash off. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, even if it was filmed on the phone. I couldn't read to you what it says, but listen, last month, we didn't even have the pamphlet, the online pamphlet. We just had a list of these are the points that are in here, and that's it. Not even a like an interview with the founder of, I don't know. I'm sure that we might have missed a few things here. Wait, hold on. Okay, yeah. I want to ask, what was the preview from last month? But then I realized there wasn't a preview because there was no actual pamphlet. So I can also not tell you what the preview for next month is. No, it's next month is November. We might get some early Christmas things. Fingers crossed, we might. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if not already, and I'll see you next time.